Cut a minute. Yeah. Auntie, you know you just showed your bum to the camera, right?
Yeah, it's fine, don't worry, it's going to be cut, don't worry. Shh! Okay, ready? Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have got my gorgeous niece. Today you're going to say hello?
Hello.
And we're going to do some makeup and some hair. So we're going to start with her hair in this video, but if you want to see the makeup one, we will link it here too. So as you can see, my niece has beautiful long hair. So what was the style that you wanted to learn how to do today?
Having it cut and then having it in like ringlets down.
Yes.
Past my shoulders.
So you liked, what did you see somebody with rollers in?
Yeah.
So we're going to show you a really easy way that you can get that look without having to have rollers.
Yes.
And it's going to look beautiful.
It is,
yes. Okay, excellent. So first thing to say is when you are doing your hair, you have to make sure that you use a heat protection spray, because if you're doing this at your age, your hair, you don't want to ruin it because it's beautiful.
No.
And you don't want to ruin it. Okay, so heat protection spray number one, repeat after me.
Heat protection spray
is
useful.
It's useful. So we're going to use this, we're going to spray it all over the hair. Then we're going to hair dryer it. We're going to hair dry it to completely dry. Yeah?
Okay.
So I'm going to spray this in. I'm going to turn you around.
Wait. What if we just...
Okay, perfect. So where your hair is obviously very thick, we're going to section it out. We're doing it section by section. So I'm just going to spin you around for a minute. Right, so what do we need?
The heat spray.
Yes. Heat protection. Heat protection. So we are going to use these in place. So there's just some bobby pins. We are going to use one of these. If you're doing this on yourself and you're a bit nervous about how to do it without burning yourself, you can get some of these gloves. So this is like heat-proof gloves, so if you're holding it and holding the hair on there, you're not going to burn your hands. Look, so it's much easier. My nephew's watching over here on the beanbag. You're going to say hello. So I'm going to take a section and I'm going to wrap it round. That's good. You've got a nice curl there. So what we're going to do before that gets cold, take a hairpin. Wrap it up like this. Pin it. Just like that. You got it?
Yep.
So let's do the next few bits. If you can keep it like that, even better. So we're basically going to do the whole back of the head like that, and then we're going to move to the front, and I'll show you how to do the front in a sec. So I'm going to take a little section like this, so it's like that. So you want the curler to be horizontal. What do we want the curler to be?
Horizontal.
Yes, we do. Take it out, try and let it not come down. Can I have a clip please?
Don't want to drop them everywhere.
Thank you. We are going to clip, and that's why it's useful to do this with a glove on, because then your hands don't get so hot, but my hands are sort of used to it. You don't want to burn yourself. Put it around, a few seconds. Okay, so the same again, we want everything to go in a loop downwards. My nephew's got all the questions about YouTube, haven't you? What did you just ask me? About music?
What kind of music do you
To put on music that's not like radio music. You have to pick a song. It's not really famous. Use that. Right. So back sections. I'm going to do the same, so in the same direction, like that.
On it, like, who is it who has like loads and loads of curlers every night?
Who is it?
Yeah. Like person. Is that a queen or something?
The Queen. You look like the Queen. Maybe Queen wishes she looked like you, but she's about 107. She's 98. Thanks, producer Josh.
Thanks, producer.
Just so we're really clear. You have your hair tongue horizontal. You wrap it round like that. Ideally, you want the hair to be flat. A few seconds, keep it on for.
And then we clip it.
Try and keep it as a curl.
Does it cool down? Does it cool down?
Yeah. So the science behind it is you want it to stay warm. The warm makes the curl, and as it cools down, it sets the shape. Right, so we're going to have something that looks a little bit like this. Spin, spin, spin. It doesn't have to look neat, okay? Especially if you're like new to this. All you've got to remember is the curls go back, that way, just like the Queen. Just like the Queen, that's all you've got to remember. Maybe we'll put a picture of the Queen here. So you can see. Okay, so we're ready to take it out. The longer you leave this in, the more it will like stay in. But we're going to show you for the demonstrative purposes. Okay, so we're going to take these out. Okay. So you can see here, look at that. Beautiful bouncy curl, that is what we want. Right, so I'm just going to turn you around a sec. Okay, so that is all of it out. Now what we need to do is we need to brush it through. Okay, we're going to get it all to the back.
I'm brushing it, straighten it out.
Nope, any brush will do. I'm just going to pass it through the hair. You see how that just makes that so nice.
I really like it.
Right, so where's your parting normally? What, to the side? A little bit?
Yeah, so
I feel like you like a hair toss, don't you?
I do have a hair tosses.
It's like this when you go.
Yes, I do.
You do. So then you just style it however you want it. You like it?
I really like it.
Can you see it? Ta-da! Look at that. So, do you think if I showed you how to do that in front of the mirror, you would be able to do that?
Yes.
And is that the curls that you were trying to achieve?
That is the curls I was trying to achieve.
Yes, well done. So, that is it. We are going to wrap up this video and we're going to film the makeup one while we're here.
Yeah.
Aren't we?
Might
Okay.
as well.
So, we will see you in the next video. And you can have a look in the mirror now.
Yeah.
See you guys later.